Hey guys, it's Christine, also known as Ivy Winter. Thank you for joining me for another unpopular Disney opinion. This video was inspired by a tweet that I made, well, a tweet that I saw and I retweeted. It's that meme of the guy sitting at a desk with the sign and people have changed it to different things where it's like an opinion and then it says, change my mind. And somebody wrote, Disney World Space Mountain is better than Disneyland, change my mind. And I retweeted it and said, it me. And some people came back at me on that a little bit. I thought this is the time and the place to address this because this is a really big one. And I think this is like such a coastal war for all coastal wars of the parks. And that is Disneyland versus Disney World's Space Mountain. I have done a video in the past with Rob when we did Disney World versus Disneyland and we talked about this, but I just had to put this here because I need to reiterate why Disney World Space Mountain is so much better than Disneyland's, and I don't know what you guys are on about because I'm right. When I think of a ride, especially a roller coaster, I'm considering the overall experience. Is it thrilling? Is it what I expect out of my roller coaster experience? That's not to say that I didn't think that Space Mountain Disneyland was thrilling. I think it was fun. I wouldn't say it was like thrilling or exciting too much to me, but it was definitely fun. But my problem was I feel like the track is really boring. It kind of just goes around in circles and does the same thing. And there's no really big drops, there's no surprises, there's no anything. And what I love about Disney World Space Mountain, I love those drops. They are amazing. I love that we have those two tracks. Alpha is so much better than Omega, by the way. If you want a more thrilling experience, try to get on Alpha because its last drop has so much airtime, especially if you sit in the back. Nice, it's really nice. But I love that so much more. I love the insanity of the Space Mountain in Disney World. I love the tight turns and the craziness and the drops, and I think that's so much more thrilling and exciting and better for that dark roller coaster experience. People will argue that Disneyland has better music. I will give you that. They will also argue that your load area is better. I'll give you that too, it's cool. I mean, I only saw it for like a couple of minutes because I'm loading on the ride. But what I love about Disney World is that we have a way better queue. A way better queue. Space Mountain Disneyland's queue, for the most part, is super boring until you get up into the load area. Like, it's just really boring, guys. And we have a really cool queue. We have the tunnel music, which to me beats out the actual on-ride music of Disneyland's Space Mountain. The tunnel music is fantastic. They also have that super fun interactive games that I love to play if I find myself on the standby line, but also are very germy, so make sure you have that antibacterial stuff with you. But I think that is a blast, no pun intended. If you know what the game is, yeah, never mind. Okay, so the load area is not as exciting, but I don't know, I just like it so much better. I love how when you're coming in, you can see the two tracks people are leaving. I love waving at them and they get all excited and they start, you know, get all pumped up. I don't know, there's something about that atmosphere that I think is really cool. So I just think as a roller coaster experience, a cool loadout and a cool song is not going to beat the thrilling nature of a roller coaster for me. I will take drops over songs any day. So I just think that Disney World Space Mountain is so much better. I mean, there are rides I'll give you guys, like your Pirates. I mean, hopefully nobody tries to argue that Disney World is better, because it's not. You have a way better Pirates than we do. But when it comes to Space Mountain, guys, we just win. We're just better over here on the East Coast. I'm sorry. I just see that subscriber count just dropping down. Just all the dislikes on this video. If you believe that I am totally wrong, which I think a lot of people do, you can let me know in the comments below. But if you agree with me, I also want to hear you. Please have my back and save me from the masses. And let me know in the comments below if you want to see more videos like this or just planning videos, blogs. You should subscribe. I'm putting out videos every single week. Thank you so much for spending time with me. You guys are the best. Have a great rest of the day. Bye.